Okay, so our next topic is 1-4 XLOOKUP look value case insensitive. So as you noticed, when we do our XLOOKUP, it doesn't matter if our lookup array are in proper case or uppercase or lowercase. So let's say apple here, we're looking for an apple, but sa ating lookup array, we have a small letter apple, small letter A. Kahit na small letter A siya, we are going to return the value for apple. So that's how XLOOKUP and other lookup formulas work. They are case insensitive. So let's try this one. Equals Excel. Click tab to select XLOOKUP. Lookup value is white rice, comma, our lookup array. Again, this is the column, comma, and the value that you would like to return is the cost per unit. Select that column, closed, enter. So we are still picking values for Apple, even though it's a capital letter A, and our lookup array here is a small letter Apple. Let's say if we're looking for an apple with a capital letter A, we should find in our lookup array here an apple with a capital letter A. If it's a small letter A, we should not find a match. Let's delete our formula. We are going to have a different formula. Formula bars equals Excel tab. Our lookup value is typing true. Later on, we will discuss why we are typing in true. Comma, then exact. Select exact. Now the exact has two parameters, text1 and text2. So our text1 is it's the lookup value here, white rice, comma, and the columns here. We are going to highlight the columns, close parenthesis, to close the function exact, comma, and what is our return array? Our return array is yung cost per unit. That's it. That's our formula. Closed the formula, click enter. All right, so we're not finding apple with a capital letter A because our apple here is a small letter A. So we're not finding it. So we don't have a matched for this apple here. Now, ang ginagawa ng formula natin ito is we are looking for a exact match, no? Between the fields on this column, and we are comparing it with our lookup array in this column. So if I would highlight this formula, we are getting false, false, true, false, false. So pagka nakahanap siya ng true, then that is the values that it will be returned by lookup formula. So in this case, white rice returns true on the third value. So meaning that's the value that's going to return 35, right? That's why we have white rice matching on the third value in our lookup table here. So that's the meaning of our formula. XLOOKUP using through and then the exact function formula inside the XLOOKUP.